In today's edition, we'll be teaching you how to automatically fill data in your spreadsheet using a pattern from an already made entry. It is called flash fill. Happy Sunday, everyone, and welcome to this week's edition of our Cyber Sunday Tech Tips. This feature can be found under the Data tab in Microsoft Excel. You click on Data, you look for Flash Fill. Now, how do you apply Flash Fill? Here we have names, full names of people, but as a data scientist, your interest might be to extract their first name and last name in different columns. How do you go about that? You create a pattern by typing from the first name. I have Wanyi Sunday, so I can type Wanyi. That's the first name. In the second one, I can type Chibuzo. Now, because I've already clicked on Flash Fill earlier, it has understood the pattern that appears to be working here, and it has outlined it for me. So it's giving me Chibuzo, Chisom, Christopher. If I press enter from here, all the first names will be applied here. In the same vein, I can get the last names by getting the pattern Sunday right now, this time around. Sunday. Then I try to type Adamu. I get that same pattern flowing down straight. Now, if I press enter, I have this field. Irrespective of the number of rows you have here, even if they are 1,500. Now, you can use this same approach in combining these cells too. So let me try this. Let's copy this and create a new sheet. I've copied the first name and last name and create a new sheet. So when I paste this time around, my interest is to have the full names together. In that case, I will simply type full name or simply name. Now, to generate this, I'll give the pattern of interest. I'll type one is Sunday, space Sunday. In the second one, I'll type Chibuz or Adamu. So you can see that it has also attempted to copy that, and when I press enter, it's been applied. So if combining this is the interest, you can pick that. This can also be applied to generate email for these people. Let's say you want to generate email for them. So their email address could be thus. You say Wanyi Sunday at, let's say, nddc.com. The next one, you try to type Chibuzo Adamu at nddc.com. So you see that the pattern has also been extracted, and once you look at this and it works well, you can okay it. Most companies create emails with this pattern. Others may just use, let's say, the first letter of the first name and then the full surname, then you put at whatever. So these patterns are recognizable. Microsoft Excel knows the entries that are within, and the moment you try to follow that, it is applied. So you can get this from data. You go to Flash Fill. It's a very useful tip, and I'm sure you have learned how to apply this. I expect to see you applying it for your data analysis and quick data entry. Thank you very much. See you in the next episode.